Hey guys, we're back. Charles Scicli here, Scicli Properties, bringing you an estate in the heart of Rancho Mirage, 72033 Clancy Lane. Come on in. This custom estate is just under 5,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, including a separate guest casita. You have all high ceilings, big open floor plan, all 8-foot doors. You have travertine flooring throughout, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and high-end appliances. This property is perfect for entertaining. Sitting on over 4,000 square foot lot, this property features pool, spa, fire pit, outdoor barbecue, putting green, plus shipping area. This makes this property the ultimate estate for Rancho Mirage. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing on Clancy Lane. To top it off, this property comes 100% turnkey furnished. I'm Charles Scicli with Scicli Properties. For more information, contact me direct.